In context of RTE, it has become essential to strengthen schools to cater to the varied and diverse needs of children with special needs. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan Chandigarh is providing support to these children through 5 resource centers. Academic support is provided in these centers by using colorful teaching learning materials by trained resource teachers following a customized, age-appropriate, individual educational plan for continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Flashcards are also used where visuals along with actions are used by the resource teachers through adaptive curriculum and evaluation methods. Need-based educational supportive services are provided with the goal of mainstreaming these children in an inclusive classroom setup. Parental counseling acts as an important strategy to create awareness. Group hearing aids are sound enhancement systems used to develop the vocabulary of hearing impaired students through storytelling sessions. Here, resource teachers provide support by giving them speech therapy, language development training, and development of social skills, encouraging and motivating hearing impaired and speech impaired children. Speech training is also provided by speech trainer for identification and clarity of vocabulary, emphasizing on various alphabets and vowels by use of phonetics, linguistics, and phonology. Visually impaired children are trained in braille reading, writing, and use of tailor frame. Usage of class-specific large print books with the help of magnifiers is also taught to students with extreme low vision. They are taught how to read the books that are specially designed for children with visual disability. Occupational therapy is provided in resource centers for training of fine motor as well as gross motor skills. Physiotherapy sessions are also provided for students with cerebral palsy and orthopedic disabilities. In these sessions, various exercises are performed with and without equipments. Training in orientation mobility is also provided for blind and partially blind children to facilitate their movement. Mentally retarded students are also provided with skill training of art and craft, where the teacher encourages the students to enhance their creativity and learn new skills. Skill training helps these children to gain self-esteem. They are able to express themselves through the medium of drawing and painting. ICT training is also provided for extreme low vision students. JAWS, a computer screen reader program, is used. In these centers, sports training is also provided by instilling confidence in them. Children are provided training in indoor games such as carom and outdoor sports like basketball and badminton, giving children with special needs an opportunity to develop leadership skills, teamwork, and goal setting. Teachers are acting as wonderful support systems under the flagship of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan Chandigarh, unlocking the potential of children with special needs, as every child is special, waiting for someone to unwrap their hidden talents and show the world, I can. Thank you, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, for this wonderful endeavor, today and always.